Hi everybody, V Huang here again, talking to you about our Eco line of dome cameras. Today we're going to be talking about two very specific cameras that we sell a lot of here at i3 just because of the price and because of the quality and stability of these domes, right? They're called the AX57 and AX77. For those of you who are saying, oh wow, those are new numbers, basically they're here to replace the old AX47, which is still available, and 67 for as long as the inventory lasts. And then we're going to probably move to these two new domes. A couple of big differences for the 57 and the 77. The 57 is a 3 megapixel fixed lens dome camera. It's IP66, so it's vandal resistant and weatherproof. And the 77 is a 5 megapixel 2.7 millimeter lens as a standard. Now you can order different lens types in this. Just make sure that when you're ordering, you refer to these things as an AX-R2 or an AX-R4, right? So if you're ordering the 57, you're gonna say, hey, I want the R2, which is 2.7 millimeter lens, or I want the R4. So just make sure you're aware of that. What makes these domes kind of unique? Again, really simple in design. Full 360 degree turn, and then pivoting up to 90 degrees, right? So you're gonna just turn it, get the shot you want. Produces really beautiful images, but again, it's made so that it's very, very simple. You'll attach your dome on here, and the dome actually attaches in, and then you get some accessory. Again, with all of our domes, make sure that you pass through that that CAD6 or CAD5 cable through the accessory we passed to you, so it can seal that cable so that you're not going to get any oxidization on the RJ45. With these domes, I'm going to talk about particularly a couple of things, a couple of types of accessory. You do get a back box with this, and that also can be screwed into our DB60, right? Finally, I want to talk about this one accessory that's very, very unique to i3. We just developed this, and it's called a T-grip. We name it the T-grip because what happens here is we have these two standoffs that this T-grip will fit into. And basically, when you fit this T-grip into the standoff, it makes your life as an installer very, very easy. And what that means is once you fit this T-grip hook onto the dome, when you're installing these domes on a T-grip, it simply comes into place where you're actually snapping this camera into the T-grip. So you'll snap it in. As you can see from the video below, it's quite easy to snap in, and it's quite easy to snap out. This makes your job a heck of a lot easier, because in the old days, what you would have to do is try to find these holes, drill these holes into the T-bar ceiling, maybe perhaps drill into the T-bar itself, which is not a good idea because you're going to mess up their T-bar. And then you're going to probably put some kind of metal plate if you're doing it to code, so that you're not putting any kind of combustible material behind that ceiling. But that's a lot of work. Now, you simply have to just use a T-bar grip and clip it on, clip it off, and you're ready to go. Hope you enjoy this camera as much as we enjoyed developing it. And please, again, click on the link below and let us know any kind of comments or concerns you may have. Or if you even have great things to say about it, we'll be more than happy to hear from you again. Appreciate it, guys.